Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering Seestar and connecting it to your computer or phone. Make sure the device shows as online. Open the Seestar app and go directly to Devices, then EQ, so you are in editing view. Pick the profile you want to modify or tap Create New to preserve defaults. Once selected, enable live preview so changes route to the hardware. This saves time and lets you hear adjustments immediately while you work. Now focus on shaping sound. Add or remove bands and pick the filter type for each. Peak for tonal tweaks, shelf for global tilt, notch for problem frequencies. Adjust gain in small increments and set Q to control bandwidth. Low Q widens effect, high Q narrows it. Use solo or mute to listen to individual bands while bypassing others, and sweep center frequencies slowly to locate resonances. Make small changes, then listen in context. Drastic moves can break balance. Finish by saving your preset with a clear name and use a /B compare to decide between versions. This helps you objectively choose the best curve. Export the preset or sync to the cloud so you can restore or use it on other devices. If you encounter issues, no audio, distorted output, or mismatched response, check routing in the app, verify firmware is current, reconnect USB or Bluetooth, and restart both Seestar and the app if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.